Guys, I came to water my pumpkin leaves, my ugu leaves, and this is what I found, guys. Another two freshly laid eggs. Oh my goodness. And they're laying these eggs on the same spots, guys. The same spots. Oh my goodness. Can you see? I just came to water my leaves and this is what I found, guys. Freshly laid eggs. Oh my goodness. My hen, they are laying too much eggs these days, oh, to be honest. Thank you guys for watching. Come with me. Let's go pick some more because I have another one. Okay, I'll pick them and put them straight to the baskets. And I'll go pick the other ones that they laid this morning, guys. This morning. This morning, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is another one, guys. Five. They laid five here again, guys. Oh God. I will eat eggs, freshly eggs, organic eggs today. Oh, thank you guys for watching. God bless you. See you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos, guys.